Every great story begins with a spark. Here's yours. Click Try another example to discover fresh ideas, or simply type your own from scratch. You can specify the characters you want and the themes or lessons you wish to share with your child through the story. Use Tab to easily jump between different parts of the story prompt and make it truly your own. When your idea feels just right, hit the Create arrow and let the magic begin. Now, your personalized storybook, unique to you and your child, starts to come alive. Our creative agent takes over, reads your idea, and confirms the plan with you. We'll double-check key details before starting, like age, page count, tone, and image style, so you're always in control. We also offer recommended image styles to choose from, or you can describe your own. Feel free to type edits anytime, change characters, tone, or length, and watch the agent update instantly. You'll even see an estimated credit cost and a clear story outline before generation. When it's perfect, just one click and watch your story come to life. Once your story is ready, you can share a link, download the PDF, or preview it in full screen mode. You can even publish it to share your creativity with the world. Plus, you can browse picture books created by others, starting with the For You section. Open one, enjoy the story, and let inspiration flow.
As the sky faded from gold to pink, happy to have a friend, and he felt cozy, calm,